Diamond cuts diamond. How the proverb can bring luck, overcome difficulties, and help you succeed. The proverb, diamond cuts diamond, means that two things of equal or similar value can only be broken or cut by each other. In other words, it takes a strong force to overcome a strong force. This proverb can be applied to our lives as a source of inspiration and guidance for overcoming obstacles and achieving success. To bring luck, we must recognize that luck often comes from hard work and determination. By working hard, we increase our chances of success and achieving our goals. We must also have faith in ourselves and our abilities. And we must never give up, even in the face of failure. When we face difficulties, we must remember that challenges are a normal part of life, and that it is through overcoming them that we grow and develop as individuals. By facing challenges head-on, we gain valuable lessons and experiences that can help us in the future. To succeed, it is important to surround ourselves with people who share our values and beliefs. We must also be willing to listen to others and learn from their experiences. And we must be open to new ideas and opportunities. In summary, diamond cuts diamond teaches us that success comes from hard work, determination, faith in oneself, facing challenges head-on, and surrounding ourselves with positive influences. By following these principles, we can achieve our goals and live fulfilling lives. This proverb reminds us that we must be willing to put in the effort to achieve our goals. We cannot expect success to come easily, and we must be willing to work hard and face challenges head-on. If we persevere and remain determined, we can overcome any obstacle in our way. By applying the principles of diamond cuts diamond to our lives, we can increase our chances of success and bring luck into our lives. We must have faith in ourselves and our abilities, and we must be willing to learn from others and grow as individuals. Overall, diamond cuts diamond is a powerful proverb that can inspire us to achieve our dream and overcome any obstacle in our way. With hard work, determination, and faith in ourselves, we can succeed in all aspects of our lives. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.